Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Resident Evil Village gamepad or controller not working issue on PC. So the very first method is to restart your PC. For that, click on the Windows icon over here. Now click on power and then select restart. So this will restart your PC. Now once your system restarts, now check if gamepad or controller is working or not. If not, next method is to update controller driver. So for that, go to the Windows search. Now search for device manager. Here you have to expand human interface devices, select your controller, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your controller drivers. Once done, restart your PC and then check whether controller is working or not. If not, next is to enable or disable Steam input. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on controller and here you have to select enable Steam input and then check if controller is working or not. If not, again come back, select disable Steam input and then check whether controller is working or not. If the issue still occurs, come back, select use default settings and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to press Alt plus Enter keys. So for that, many experts suggest to press Alt plus Enter keys as this is one of the best trick to resolve such kind of unexpected issue. So once you can try it and then check if it's working. If not, next method is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will verify the game files. Once done, now check if gamepad is working or not. If not, next is to check for game. So you must check if there is any update available for the game. After updating the game, try to launch the game again and check if it's working. So here you will be able to see an update option. Simply click on the update option and once the game is updated, now check if gamepad or controller is working. If not, next is to update Windows. So for that, go to the Windows search for check for updates. This will take you to the Windows update page. Click on check for updates option and once your Windows is updated, now check whether controller is working or not. Apart from this, you are also suggested to apply other tips like clear cache on Steam. So for that, go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings, click on downloads and after that go below. Here you have to click on clear cache beside clear download cache. So this will restart your Steam. You have to again log into it and then check whether gamepad or controller is working or not. So for that, confirm it and after that log into Steam once again and then try to play and check if gamepad is working. Apart from this, you are also suggested to check if you are using wired plug for your controller, then unplug it and replug it. This can help you to resolve the issue. And also you are suggested to use big picture mode for the game. So when you go to Steam, here you will see big picture mode. You simply have to click on it and wait for some time. And once you enter the big picture mode, you have to try to play the game on big picture mode. If it's working, exit big picture mode and then check whether gamepad or controller is working or not. So via these methods, you can easily fix Resident Evil Village game controller or gamepad not working issue on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.